we'll guide you through how to make blur in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom on your PC to start editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported, select the photo from the Library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and available adjustment tools. When the Develop module is open, select the Masking tool to create a specific editing area on the image. After opening the Masking tool, choose either linear gradient or radial gradient, depending on the area and shape you want to blur. Once the gradient option has been selected, create a selection on the area of the photo where you want to apply the blur effect. Adjust the size and position of the selection until it covers the correct area. After creating the selection, reduce the sharpness slider to make the selected area appear softer and less detailed. Next, reduce the clarity slider to soften the contrast and create a smoother appearance in the selected area. After adjusting the clarity, reduce the texture slider to remove fine details and strengthen the blur effect. Continue by adjusting the feather setting to blend the effect smoothly with the surrounding areas of the photo. Modify the feather level until the transition between the blurred area and the rest of the image looks natural. Compare the edited area with the original image and make sure the blur effect appears correctly. If needed, adjust the masking settings, sharpness, clarity, texture, or feather values to improve the final result. Continue refining the settings until the blur effect matches your desired appearance. Once all adjustments are complete, save the editing changes to keep the modifications applied to the photo.